In this video, let's learn about final consonants. See how there's an extra consonant at the bottom of the syllable? That is called the final consonant. After watching this video, you'll know how to read syllables with final consonants. And then you'll be able to read every Korean word. Isn't that amazing? So far, we've learned so much. We've covered consonants and vowels, as well as double consonants and combined vowels. We can read this word now, right? The first word is 스, 아, 사. And for the second syllable, the consonant is 그. And the vowel is 와. So, 그, 와, 과, 과. Look at this. This vowel is a combination of O and A. So you can read as O, A, wa, 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 wa. Right? Do you remember that? Okay. 그, 와, 과, 과. 사과, 사과. And how about this word? Can you read it? Great. First syllable, place order with a sound vowel. So, a. And second syllable, what is the sound of this consonant? Yes, b. B. And the vowel is a. So, b, a, ba, a, ba, appa. Great. Now, let's dive into the final consonants. Are you ready? Waiting. There is an extra consonant at the bottom of the first syllable, right? And as I told you, we call it as the final consonant. First, n. Let's see how to read syllables when the consonant n is used as a final consonant. If we break down this syllable, it's made up like this. Without the final consonant, this syllable is read as a, right? Now let's add the n sound to a. A, n, an, an. Instead of pronouncing it as 안, make it sound like a single syllable, like this. 안, 안. Let's practice one more time with this syllable lock. It's made up like this. N sound consonant in the beginning consonant, U sound vowel, and another N sound consonant in the final consonant. Without the final consonant, it is nu. Nu, right? Now let's add N sound final consonant to nu sound. Nu, n, nun, nun. So, this is how we read this syllable. Nun, nun. Now, can you try to read this word? Take your time, pause the video and try by yourself. Okay, great. 스, 아, and n sound in the final consonant, right? Without the final consonant, it is 사. And now let's add n sound to 사. 사, 느, 산, 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 산. How about this word? The first syllable, place order and wa sound vowel. So, wa. Wa. And next syllable, e plus n sound final consonant. So, e, n, in, in, 와, 인, 와인, 와인 사랑해요. 와인 마셔요. Do you drink wine? 와인 마셔요. One more word with the n sound final consonant. First syllable, 오, 오. Second syllable, without the final consonant, 르, 에, 레. And let's add n sound after that. 레, 느, 렌, 렌. And then the last syllable, 지, 지, 이, 지. 오, 오렌지, 오렌지, 오렌지 먹어요. 오렌지 먹어요. 오렌지 맛있어요. 오렌지 맛있어요. 오렌지. It's easy, isn't it? 화이팅! Next, when mu sound consonant comes to the final consonant in the syllable block. So, all plus mu sound consonant. So, all, mu, Just add mu sound at the end. How about this syllable? Without the final consonant, it is ga, gu, ga. And let's add mu sound. Ka, mu, kam. So this is kam. This is how we read this syllable with the final consonant. Kam. Let's read the word mom in Korean. Can you try by yourself? Please try by yourself. Great. First syllable without the final consonant, all. And let's add mu sound. So, all, mu, And then next, ma. So, ma. 엄마. 엄마. 엄마 사랑해요. 아빠. 사랑해요. 엄마, 아빠 사랑해요. Great. Next word. Without the final consonant, it sounds as 해, right? 흐, 해. And let's add mu sound. 해, mu. 햄. Great. Next syllable. 버. And the last syllable. 거. 거. 햄버거 먹어요. 햄버거 맛있어요. This is how we write hamburger with the Korean alphabet. Got it? 햄버거. One more word with mu sound final consonant. Try it by yourself. I'll give you 4 seconds. Great. First syllable, ka and mu sound final consonant. So, ka, mu, kam. And next one, 자. So, 감자. Great. Oh, there is lu sound consonant in the final consonant. Without the final consonant, it is all, and let's add lu sound to all. So, all, lu, all. This is how we read this syllable, all. Add lu sound, all. How about this syllable? Without the final consonant, it is 기, 르, 길. So this is 길. Let's practice reading streamer words with the lu sound final consonant. First syllable. Can you try to read the first syllable? Yes. 골. 고, 르, 골. Add lu sound. 골. Right? And then 프. 골프. Koreans pronounce golf as 골프. How about this word? Try by yourself. Did you try it by yourself? Great. Let's check it out together with me. So, without the final consonant, it is mu. Mu, and then let's add l sound. Mu, l, mul, 물. Great. 물 마셔요. 물 마셔요. One more word. First syllable. There is the double consonant in the beginning consonant, right? Which is 뜨. 뜨. So without the final consonant, 뜨, 아, 따. So without the final consonant, it is 따. And let's add 르 sound consonant. 따, 르, 딸, 딸. And then next syllable. 그, 이, 기. So 딸기. 딸기. 딸기 먹어요. 딸기 사랑해요. 딸기 먹어요. 딸기 맛있어요. 딸기. And there is k in the final consonant, right? A and k sound final consonants, so it sounds like ak. Ak. Instead of pronouncing it like ak, instead of pronouncing it like this, make it sound like a single syllable like this. Ak. Ak. Got it? When you pronounce this, you'll feel the back of your tongue lightly blocking your airway. So, ak. Ak. Great. In the case of this syllable, it is ok. Ok. All sound without the final consonant and add k sound. Ok. One more time. Ok. Great. Let's read this word together, which means kitchen. First syllable, 부, right? 부. And then second syllable, ok. As you read, ok. So, 부, ok. 부엌, 부엌. Kitchen, 부엌. Great. Now look at these three consonants. These three consonants you see here all make the same sound when they are used as final consonants. This syllable is ak, right? This syllable is also ak, and this syllable is also ak. Ak, ak, ak. Same. So let's read this word. First syllable block. It is mi, mu, e, me. Great. Next, without the final consonant, it is 구, right? 구. Let's add the sound of the final consonant. 국, 국. So, 미국, 미국. Got it? 미국. Is there anyone living in the States? Please let me know. And next, Korea, in Korean. Let's read it together. First syllable block, without the final consonant, it is ha, right? Ha. Let's add the sound of the final consonant. Ha, 느, 한, 한. Next, without the final consonant, it is 구. And with the final consonant, it is like 국, 국. So, 한국, 한국, 한국 사랑해요. Great. So, this syllable sounds the same as I told you. Ak, 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 like this. These three consonants sound the same when they are placed in the final consonant. Let's move on. P sound consonant in the final consonant. This syllable sounds like up, up. Without the final consonant, it is a and add p sound, so up, up. One more time, up. Got it? Let's read this word with the p sound consonant in the final consonant. Can you read this syllable without the final consonant first? Yes, it is 수. And let's add p sound. So 수, 프, 숲, 숲. So this word is 숲, and it means forest. 숲. By the way, also in this case, these consonants sound the same when they are placed in the final consonant. Up. And also, this is up. Sounds same. This syllable sounds the same. Up. Up. Got it? Do you know this food? Have you ever tried it? Great. Let's read this word together. Can you read the first syllable? Yes. Kim. There is mu sound consonant in the final consonant, so gi plus mu sound final consonant. Kim. Kim. Second syllable. Can you read it? Yes. Without the final consonant, it is ba, and add the sound of the final consonant, so it is pop. Pop. So kimbap. Kimbap. Have you ever tried kimbap? Oh, do you like it? I love it. Kimbap 사랑해요. It is my favorite. So this is how we write kimbap in Korean. Kimbap. Kimbap. Next, please read it by yourself. Great. Let's check it out together. Without the final consonant, it is 커, right? And add the sound of the final consonant, 컵. 컵. So it is 컵. 컵. Easy, right? Please let me know if you have any questions, okay? Next. Oh, there is two sound consonant in the final consonant. A plus two. At. At. Got it? In the case of this word, without the final consonant, it is like 그, 그. And the sound of the final consonant, which is t. So, 그, t. 끝. 끝. Instead of pronouncing it like 끝, instead of pronouncing it like this, make it sound like a single syllable like this. 끝. 끝. It means the end or finish. 끝. And in this case, all these 7 consonants share the same pronunciation when they are in the final consonant. So, for example, like this vowel, at, this is also at, and this is also pronounced as at. At. So, for example, at. Same. Let's check some example words. First syllable block is 크, 오, 코. 코. Second syllable is the same with the first one, 코. And the last syllable block, without the final consonant, it is 너, right? 너. Let's add the sound of the final consonant. It becomes not. Not. Does it make sense? So the last syllable block is not. So, 코, not. 코코넛. 코코넛 마셔요. 코코넛 마셔요. Next word. What is the sound of this syllable without the final consonant? Yes. 끄, 오, 꼬. 꼬. And add the sound of the final consonant, it becomes 꽃. 꽃. Flower. 꽃. Try it by yourself. 꽃. Great. One more example. There is 스 sound consonant in the final consonant of the last syllable block, right? So let's check it out. First syllable is 치, 오, 초. Second, there is loose sound consonant in the final consonant. So without the final consonant, it is 코, and with the final consonant, it is 콜, 콜. And the last syllable, let's add the sound of the final consonant to li sound. So it becomes lit, lit. So 초, 콜, lit. chocolate. This is how we write chocolate in Korean, and this is why we pronounce chocolate as chocolate. 초콜릿 먹어요. 초콜릿, 초콜릿 먹어요. How's learning final consonants so far? Fun, right? Now there's just one more consonant left to learn. Yay! This circle-shaped consonant. Let's keep going until the end. We are almost there. Fighting! So, this circle-shaped consonant is a placeholder, right? And that's why we read this syllable as ah. Ah. Circle-shaped consonant is a placeholder and the sound of the vowel is ah. That's why we read it as ah. But when the circle-shaped consonant is placed in the final consonant like this, there's a sound. It's pronounced as 응. If there's one thing to remember from today, it's this. It's super important. Again, this circle-shaped consonant is pronounced as 응 when it is placed in the final consonant. Got it? So, in the case of this syllable, it is pronounced as 앙, 아, 응, 앙. Right? Without the final consonant, it is ah. And with the final consonant, let's add sound. So, ah, 응, 앙, 앙. Let's practice with 4 example words. First syllable, without the final consonant, it is ma. Ma, right? And the sound of the final consonant is This circle-shaped consonant sounds like when it is in the final consonant. So, mang. The first syllable sounds like mang. Next, 고. 고. So, 망고. mango. mango. Next example, the first syllable block, 가, 강, right? Without the final consonant, it is 가. And the sound of this consonant is The sound of the final consonant, So, 가, 강. Second syllable block, 아. Third syllable block, 지. 강, 아, 지. 강아지. 아, 강아지. 와, 강아지. 귀여워요. 귀여워요. 강아지, 사랑해요. 강아지, 귀여워요. 강아지, 사랑해요? 오, 강아지, 사랑해요? 좋아요. 저도 강아지, 사랑해요. How about this word? Try it by yourself. Good. Let's read it together with me one more time. 고. And then what is this? Ya and sound in the final consonant, right? 양. 양. The first circle-shaped consonant is a placeholder, and the circle-shaped consonant in the final consonant is So, ya, 양. 양. The third syllable block, 이. So, 고, 양, 이. 고양이. 헉, 고양이. 고양이 귀여워요. 고양이 귀여워요. One more example. First syllable. 사. 사. And then second syllable without the final consonant. La. And the sound of the final consonant is right? Because this circle-shaped consonant is placed in the final consonant. So, la, 랑, 랑. And third syllable block, 해, 해. And then the last syllable block, 유. 사랑, 해, 유. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. 강아지, 사랑해요. 고양이, 사랑해요. We've now learned all about final consonants. That means we've covered almost all the basics of the Korean alphabet. Wow, congratulations! You've done such a great job. Let's read some more together and get even more familiar with Hangul. Are you ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 화이팅! 화이팅! We are going to read 15 words together, so please follow along with me, okay? Here we go. First little block. 스, 우, 수, right? 수. And then, without the final consonant, it is b, a, ba. And then, with the final consonant, it becomes 박, 박. So, 수박, 수박, 수박 먹어요. 수박 먹어요. First syllable block. 치. And what is the sound of the vowel? 에, right? 치, 에, 채, 채. And then second syllable block. 르, 이, 리. 체리, 체리, 체리 먹어요. 맛있어요. Great. We read it together a few minutes ago, right? So, can you try it by yourself? Great. Let's go. 망고, 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 망고 먹어요. 망고 사랑해요. Next. Without the final consonant, it is me, and with the final consonant, it becomes mek, mek. And then second syllable block, 시, 코, mek, 시, 코, Mexico, Mexico. Let me know if you are from Mexico. Okay? Mexico. 스, 페, 프, 에, 페. Without the final consonant, it is E, and let's add the final consonant, in, 스, 페, 인, Spain. Is there anyone from Spain? Spain. Next word. Without the final consonant. 다시. Next word. Without the final consonant, it is E. And at the sound of the final consonant, it becomes ip, ip, ip. Great. Next word. Without the final consonant, p, a, pa. And at the sound of the final consonant, 팔, 팔, 팔. Next, can you try it by yourself? Yes. S, O, so, and add the sound of the final consonant. 손, 손, 팔, 손. Next word. Can you read it? Remember that this syllable sounds like at, and all of these consonants sound the same when they are placed in the final consonant, right? At, at. This syllable is also at. So, now can you read the first syllable? Without the final consonant, it is ha, right? Ha. And with the final consonant, it becomes hat. Hat. Great. Hat. And then second syllable, 초. 초. Third syllable block. There is lu sound in the final consonant in the third syllable, so without the final consonant, it is 코. And then let's add the sound of the final consonant. 콜. 콜. And the last syllable, without the final consonant, it is 리. And with the final consonant, it is lit. lit. So, 핫, 초, 콜, lit. 핫 초콜릿. hot chocolate. This is how we read hot chocolate in Korean. hot chocolate. hot chocolate. hot chocolate. 마셔요. 맛있어요. Next, again, try it by yourself. Great. 샐러드. 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 Now let's read 4 seasons. Spring, summer, fall, winter in Korean. First, spring. 봄. 봄. Summer. 여름. 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 And fall. 가을. 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 Winter. 겨울. 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 So, what is your favorite season? Please let me know. And here's the last word. It's the last word, so can you read it by yourself and guess the meaning by the sound of this word? I know you can do it. Good. The first syllable is 한, right? Without the final consonant, it is ha. And let's add new sound. 한. The second syllable block is 글. 글. So, 한글. 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 I told you that the name of the Korean alphabet is Hangul, right? So, this is how we write Hangul. Hangul. Now, let's go to the writing part. Yay! We'll write some syllables with the final consonant and write 10 words together. So, here we go. Fighting! Let's go! First syllable block. 악. 악. So, top down, left to right. So, write the beginning consonant first, circle consonant, and write the vowel, ah, and then add the final consonant. So, ak. For syllables with the final consonant, you need to write the final consonant below. So, when writing the beginning consonant and vowel, make sure to position them slightly higher, okay? Great. Let's write it one more time. 악. 악. Perfect. Next syllable. 암. Write it one more time. The beginning consonant, vowel, and the final consonant. Here's a tip for writing final consonants. If you align the right side of the final consonant with a vertical stroke of the vowel, your writing will look more balanced. Like this, okay? Let's write it one more time. The beginning consonant, circle-shaped consonant, and vowel, and the final consonant, Perfect. Next, 눈, top, down, 눈. One more time. 눈, the beginning consonant, and vowel, 우, and the final consonant, 눈. And for vowels with long horizontal stroke, write the final consonant in the center like this. It'll look more balanced in this case. So let's write it one more time. The beginning consonant, vowel, 우, and the final consonant in the center, 눈. Perfect. Next, 얼. Let's write it one more time. Place order, the circle-shaped consonant, and then all sound vowel, and then L sound final consonant. 얼. Align the right side of the final consonant with the vertical stroke or the vowel like this, as I told you. 얼. One more time. 얼. Great. Let's write 10 more words. 한. First syllable, 한. And then second syllable, 국. 한국. Great. And 미국. 미국. And Mexico. Mexico. 스페인. 스페인. And next, 수박. Next word, 망고. 망고 사랑해요. Oh, one more fruit. 딸기. 딸기. 코코넛. 넛. 코코넛 마셔요. 강아지. 강아지. 고양이. 고양이. Great. You did a great job. You did a great job making it this far. I'm so proud of you. You've learned all the necessary things of Hangul. So now you can read most of the words. I'll prepare more reading practice videos and videos with the advanced information for you. So Let's read words together and get even more comfortable with reading 한글. Okay? You've got this. 화이팅! Please be proud of yourself, okay? See you in the next video. 잘 가요. 잘 가요. Goodbye. 화이팅!